1:38 a.m. to start my packing for my trip. This is probably going to be a long little process. So might as well get started. So I think I'm going to start by doing the toiletries. As you can see, there's just a whole bunch of toiletries that I bought. So I need to go ahead and put them in some bags and stuff. So this is going to be like toothpaste and stuff. I think I'm going to go ahead and take these out the boxes so it's like less weight that I'm carrying on the plane. So yeah, this is just some Sensodyne. I got this at Target today. And I already have my little Glide floss in there. And I actually think, oh yeah. And then my toothbrush, but I'm actually going to keep this on my carry-on instead of the check-in bag. Just go ahead and put my deodorant in there as well. This is just the native coconut and vanilla. If my edge gel will fit in there. Yeah, so my edge gel fits in there. I'll just keep that in there. I think should I put my Lysol in there? I'm going to bring my Lysol in there as well. Just get rid of this packaging. So this is just a little Lysol to go. I can just spray things on it. And I'm just going to spray the hotel rooms with this when we get there. Or I might bring this on the carry-on with me. And then I'm just going to put it in this little pocket inside of my suitcase. And then this thing, I just got this little travel set to put my products that are too big into this. So, it's TSA compliant and everything. I already have like 3 razors in there. I probably won't use all 3 of those during my trip, but you know what? It is okay. I do need to put some of my moisturizing cream because this bottle is big and I don't need to bring this big old bottle. It's kind of a little bit heavy, so that's the main reason why I bought this set. And the cool thing about it is that this thing comes with a little squeeze tube. So I think I'm just going to put the moisturizing cream in a squeeze tube. As you can see, I'm just squeezing it in there. I'm going to put in there because I doubt I'm going to use all of that during my trip. And then just screw it back on. And then this set also came with stickers for those containers, so there's actually not a sticker for this, so that's cute. And my mom also picked me up this Cerave Hydrating facial cleanser because they did not have any more of my normal facial cleanser. But I'm still gonna bring this because I don't really want to try a new face thing on a trip, so just to be safe, I'm bringing both. Probably just gonna squeeze it out. I don't want to say throw away my shit. Okay. So this is what we have so far. I feel like I should just bring this whole thing, because why not? I wonder if the makeup wipes have to go in a separate bag or not. Anyways, I got these from TJ Maxx. They're the simple cleansing facial wipes. So this is the second bag. And then I also got some Up and Up blotting pads because I know my face is going to be oily, so it's good to be prepared with these on your trip. I'm actually going to put this on the carry-on with me. I'm going to put the retainer in there. Actually, I'm gonna keep the retainer on me because I can't afford to have anything bad happen to that. What else? I'm gonna keep this Bactine on me as well. Hopefully it doesn't spill. So yeah, this is just for my piercing for an emergency if I need it. When I carry these with me. And then just putting my little icing piercing solution into this little TSA compliant spray bottle. Okay, and then I have a big pack of cotton balls for my piercing that I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna put some in a little Ziploc bag as well. Right now I'm just packing my makeup in this little bag. I have my Fenty foundation and concealer. I have 2 goof proof pencils, highlighter, a clean beauty blender, dupe, a highlighting brush, my black eyeliner. I have a new lash sensational I bought, so I'm just gonna put that in there as well. I'm also gonna bring this extra goof proof. I am so tired right now. Right now, it's already 2 a.m. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with bottoms. I got this cute pair of shorts from Forever 21 the other day. They're so comfortable and it's a nice neutral color, so I'll definitely be wearing those throughout my trip. Also got these pair of denim distressed shorts from Forever 21 that are absolutely perfect on these Nike running shorts, just in case I decide to work out or just want to wear something casual. And then I also have a white pair of those that I will be wearing. I'm usually scared to wear white bottoms, but you know, I'm gonna give it a try. And then I have these corduroy shorts that I'm gonna be wearing that I also got from Forever 21. Also gonna bring these older pair of H&M black shorts, denim shorts. This is just gonna be a shirt that I wear as pajama. This shirt I'm gonna wear as like a day shirt. It's a super cute color for Jamaica. Something up there. Here. I have this Malcolm X Any Means Necessary shirt that this shirt is also from the same collection. It's just a Miles Davis neutral colored shirt. And next I just have this tie-dye shirt that I got from TJ Maxx. I thought this was a cute summery shirt that I could wear with those white biker shorts. Another pair of gray biker shorts with the lace on the bottom. Another tube top from H&M, super cute and neutral color. I'm just gonna bring this black Forever 21 dress for when I'm going somewhere fancy or just want to dress up that day. I'll probably wear that tomorrow at night for dinner. It gets cold on the plane, but I'm just gonna pack it in there for now. I'm gonna wear this hoodie on the airplane. It's Atlanta United shirt. I might give it away or wear it. We'll see. Bought these cute pairs of Nike sandals that I'm gonna wear a lot. No, these are actually Target heels that are super comfortable that I was gonna wear for graduation, but I ended up not wearing them, but I kept them, so I'm just gonna wear these for dinner. Shoes, and so I just have these like Madden Girl shoes that I'm gonna bring. I also have one bathing suit. Let's make sure this fits.